Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle and of course you know me by now. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel, not back, because this will be your first time, right? So my name is Miracle and this is Mimi FX Academy, right? So I know most of you are not aware of the name change, but that's it. I want to be serious about teaching people, but I'm just kind of busy one random here, but that's not really an excuse, right? So if you are new to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, because whenever I drop an awesome video, some might be an kind of an indicator to tell you to jump on a trade or a trade I'm actually on, that you can find opportunities to trade and make money also. So what that will help us do, because it will get you into notification and notify you that a video has been dropped, so you can be early on that trade to hop into that trade. So if this video will be helpful to you, if you like this video, you can hit the like icon. If you don't, you can comment how I can improve in my videos, right, to help us grow. So if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a big shout out to you. Thank you for checking back. So this is gold, as you know. This is gold and I'm on gold and I've been running. You can see it at the chart here. So I'm going to break down this chart and tell you how I hop into this trade, and how you can use the same principle to apply in other trades, because I use only just one strategy and I've been using this strategy and I'll continue to be using this strategy. Only thing I'll keep doing is to modify it when I see a need to, right? So let's hop into the trade. I'm also on GBP USD. Yeah, I'm also on, and I've been on Euro USD. I just closed on Euro USD pretty early, and it has been giving pips, but I'm not on that trade. And I'm also on synthetic indices about Jump 50 and Jump 25 is actually cooking at the moment. So I'll be shooting a video either tomorrow or next where about the synthetic indices and why I hop into the trade. So you want to subscribe so you won't miss those videos, right? So let's hop into this trade. Number one thing, in my previous video I talked about, you can go and check them out, I talked about, irrespective of any trader you are, whether you're a day trader, whether you're a scalper, you're a swing trader like I am, whatever trader you are, right, what you have to do is that whatever time frame you want to start from, whatever time frame you want to start your focus, your analysis, drawing your analysis from, that was your primary trend. Whatever that trend is doing, whatever the trade is doing at that time frame, that is your primary trend. So you want to write that at the back of your mind that this particular time frame where I want to start, be it 4 hour, is doing what, is in a downtrend. Like this now, gold in daily right now where I'm starting from is in an uptrend, is in a downtrend, obviously, sorry. So what did I do? Once the market is in a downtrend or an uptrend, if I've identified that, which is the primary thing, because if you don't know where the market is heading to, you are likely to lose that trade by 90%. I can assure you that, because what you'll be doing is you are gambling. It goes up, you are saying yeah, I'm in profit, it comes down, you don't really know where the market is heading to. But if you know where the market is heading to and you place that buy, you place that sell, you will not be scared, because you know what the market, you know what you are doing, you know that this market, this is where I'm heading to. If this market stops me out, then I'm not wrong. All is that I didn't see what, or the market is trying to do something that I have to take note of, right? So but if you don't know where the market is, that is where you'll be scared. And if you come and you see your account red, you are kind of panicking. But if you know where the market is heading to and you place that buy with full assurance, you won't be scared, because you know definitely it's going to go your way. Or if it doesn't go your way, then that's fine, because the market doesn't respect your stop loss. So that's by the way. So as I was saying, whatever time frame you want to start, that is your primary trend. So I'm going to be using this for as an example, right? So daily right here is my primary trend, and you can see it's obviously in a downtrend. I drew my trend line touching the peaks of all those angles. Sorry about that, I'm really sorry. So touching the peaks about all the angle, right, as you can see now. So what are you going to do next? Once you identify that the market is in a downtrend or in an uptrend, there are two things the market will do. If the market is actually ranging, I'll just advise you stay out of the market, right? But the market is trending, that's where you can make money easily. Yeah. So once you identify that, you now check, is the market doing, the market must be doing two things. If it's actually trending, the market must be doing a run and a pullback, a run and a pullback. So in the market, like, this is what I mean, this is a run. A run is actually going in direction of the market. That is, if it's in a downtrend, the run is actually going down. If it's in an uptrend, the run is actually going up, right? So we can see this is a run, this is a pullback into the trend line, a run, a pullback, but didn't get to the trend line. That's fine. A run and a pullback into the trend line, and this is where I supposed to hop into the market, but I was late, so I hop in pretty here, as you can see. So that is number one. Second thing, and if you identify this, the market is in a run, is in a pullback. Where you actually get opportunity is in a pullback, right? Because what I trade is trend reversal. So as you can see, the market at this point did a pullback. As this market was doing a pullback, you just have to wait. What you have to do now is to identify the maximum point before the market gets to that point. You just be ahead of the market, right? You then identify that this market actually want to do a pullback. Is doing a pullback, so it's going to definitely go along to follow the run, right? So we now identify, okay, this is the point that I'm looking for this market to get to and stop before going back down. So that's one. Once I identified at this point that this market will get to this point and come back down, but that's not all. You then add your confluence. You can see the market came in confluence with the trend line, right? Number two is that the support came in confluence, and number three, if I draw my Fibonacci, it also came in confluence. So now this is a strong region that I have to now wait. Once this market then approach to this point, I will now wait for look at candlesticks pattern, you understand, to find back down, because this is only place where you now apply strategy, right? If you apply strategy somewhere here, it's actually useless, because this is a kind of a consolidation. This is a consolidation. It's actually useless because the market is still going in a particular point. So because I understand where the market is going to, that is why I now apply a candlesticks or whatever strategy. You have been hearing of double top, head and shoulder, counter trend line, all of that. This is where you now apply that to follow the market to go back down, right? So I applied the strategy, but I was pretty late. If not, I would have hopped into the market somewhere about here, right? So I applied the strategy, and you can see this has been running for days, right? This has been running. You can see it for how many, like 4 days now. I've been on this trade, and another one I entered right now, right? So let's go to 4 hour. Let you see how the trade is. So you can see it somewhere about here. There is a trade, I think, yeah, that's how I applied my entry strategy. Sorry about here, let me show you. Okay, I think that, yeah, sorry about here. You can see that's where I hop into the trade right now, and you can see hopping is my stop loss was very tight, and the market didn't come closer. So if you really want to get a mentorship from me, right, you want me to teach you how my entry and exit strategy, how I basically trade. So you wanted me to teach you how I basically trade, my entry and exit strategy, everything I know about forex. My number will be in the description box, not in the comment section, please, so you won't be scammed, right? In the description box, so you just copy and paste on your call log and save, and you message me, and I'm going to teach you all I know, right? I'm going to teach you all I know about forex, and I'm going to hold you hand in hand to you become a trader like me or even more than me, maybe. So I'm going to pause this video now. I'm going to go to GBP I'm going to show you the trade, and I'm going to go to my gallery because I took a screenshot where I placed a trade on Euro USD conservatively on the lowest lot size, right? So see my okay, let me just pause the video and I'll get it. Yeah, we are back on GBP as you can see, and you can see the trade is also running at the background right here, right? My data is actually off because if I on my data, this video will be messy, right? So my data is actually off right now, but you can see the trade is actually running at that particular point. So let me just take this, so you need to be sorry about that. Sorry. So this is basically it, and you can see the trade is actually running. I'm not showing you this because to show you I'm the best trader, no, not at all. I'm just showing you this so you can know that the strategy actually works. And if you are coming for mentorship or you are learning from my YouTube channel, it's something I've been applying and it actually works. If you go my previous video from the day I started, it's actually the same thing, but the only difference is that I've been modifying it. And this is what I've been doing. When I modify and I see something added to the strategy, I'll also tell you about it, being my student, right? So I'm going to also pause the video now. I'm going to go to my gallery and show you a screenshot of Euro USD I took on the lowest, yeah, I think, yeah, lowest lot size. But I'm going to go on Euro USD and show you where I enter the trade, where I place the trade, and while I go on my gallery, right? So let's go. So this is Euro USD, and I applied the same strategy on this trade, and I hop into this market somewhere about here at this peak here, as you are seeing right here. This is where I hop into this market, where my cursor is, and I milk it. But I went out really good early. I know you kind of be furious. How will I get into this market at that point? Don't worry, I'm going to show you a proof right now in my gallery, right? So I just want to show you that this strategy actually works. And if you're actually coming for a mentorship, you rest assured I'm going to teach you everything I know. And if you apply it and you're seriously, you're going to make it, right? You are going to make it in the trade, not actually boastful that I'm actually the best trader. So you just have to understand my terminologies and the words I use, right? You are going to make it in the trade, like you're going to make it on the trade. I don't know why I'm emphasizing on this, right? So but that's actually fine. Let's go to my gallery while we call this video an end. So see you in my next video. No, sorry. So this is my gallery right here. This is my gallery, and this is Euro USD. And I told you I took the trade from that peak. As you can see it at that top, you can see the trade running through down. This is days. This is 1 hour time frame. And I told you this is the lowest lot size, and you can see it right here. These are the lowest lot size I took on the trade. So if this is what you'll be looking out for, kindly like this video, subscribe, and if there's anyhow I can improve my video, please tell me in the comment section below. And see you in my next video, probably tomorrow or next. And bye. Stay safe. Bye.